In 2001 this building was built. It's a collaboration between the Medical Research Council and the University of Cambridge. We have 150 to 200 researchers, students and support staff in the building, and they're all based in 11 large research laboratories.
I'm the Research Centre Laboratory Manager and a member of the Hutch Green Team. We've been making great efforts and real progress in improving the environmental awareness of our workers in various aspects of life in the building. We have a Switch It Off campaign that we monitor with building audits.
In 2011-12 there was growing corporate social impetus to improve our environmental performance. And with our fixed infrastructure budgets and the cost of utilities rising at an alarming rate, something dramatic to protect the science budget was required.
So we have made great improvements, but we asked ourselves, could we do better?
The biggest use of energy in a modern building is the occupational air change. This uses vast amount of electricity to move the air around, it demands heating and cooling. It provides a safe environment for science to operate in, both for the scientist and for the science that's being done.
Thankfully, David came up with a very innovative system, the first of its kind in the UK, which had saved people in the USA over $1 million in a year. So this looked very promising. It was the first in the UK, so there were risks involved for us, but we decided to go for it. I managed to secure funding from both partners, the university and the MRC. £94,000 was the total cost of the project, and this was installed in May 2012.
On discussing this with our BMS specialists, they suggested the EAUC system, a demand-based ventilation system. This allows the building to vary the ventilation system in accordance to the building activity.
The installation process was smooth and quite unobtrusive, particularly considering that this was a retrofit. There was no real disruption of day-to-day work. Because this is a demand ventilation control system, the baseline airflow is now much lower, and so the noisy environment has changed to a quieter one. This also means that the building is significantly quieter from the outside, making us a better neighbour, even more so in the evenings and weekends.
Overall, we've been very pleased with the savings and all of the results of the EAUC installation. Over the first 12 months of installation, we had 41% of our gas bill saved, 9% of electricity, equating to 400 tonnes of CO2 emissions saved, with a cost saving of £67,000 over the year, giving us a payback on the whole project of 1.7 years.
To my belief, the new system also raised the awareness about the environment and challenged people towards carbon emission-free lifestyle.
The air QT provides a huge reduction in the air change rate, the demand on the heating and the cooling, but still maintains the air quality for science.
Generally, scientists are quite open to new ideas, hence security was welcomed. We generate enormous amounts of non-recyclable waste every day, creating excessive carbon footprint. The installation of new system not only reduced gas and electricity utilities, but also made the environment safer, less noisy and more comfortable to work.